Hi everyone. You remember that last week we finished Unit 10? We gave homework for Spin's workbook, of course. So open it, page 76. So we will start with the vocabulary part first. There are questions. You will choose the correct answers. The first one, I felt very nervous before my audition. 2. We have blah blah lessons every morning. Let's look at the answers. We have acting lessons every morning. 2B. 3. My sisters blah blah about science fiction films. My sisters crazy about. Be crazy about something. Yeah. 4. Matthew had an interview with the school director for A. 5. Nora did her best to win the competition. Do one's best. Do my best. Do your best. 5B. 6. My music teacher is great. He's got a lot of experience. Okay, we pass the other part 2. Complete the dialogue with these words. Luke says, who is your favorite singer? Claire says, I'm crazy. Be crazy about something or somebody. I'm crazy about Justin Bieber. He is a great singer. He is a wonderful singer. Can you dance to his songs? Yes, they are wonderful. And who is your favorite singer, Luke? I like Katy Perry. She's got an amazing voice. He likes the voice of Katy Perry here. Okay, complete it and then pass the other part. Okay, part 3. Tell your partner about your favorite singer. So you can tell it at home to the parents or your siblings. Okay, let's pass the other part. Part 4. Complete the play review with the topic sentences. Okay, there are 3 paragraphs here and there are 3 letters. Let's remember it again here. Paragraphs separate a piece of writing into different parts. The first sentence of each paragraph introduces the topic of the paragraph. This sentence is called the topic sentence. Each paragraph has got a different topic sentence. Okay, let's read these ones. A. The story was about the girl Dorothy and her dog Toto. B. I liked the play because all the actors were great. C. Last week I went to the theater and watched The Wizards of Oz. Okay, let's give the answers. Okay, it starts with C. Last week I went to the theater and watched The Wizards of Oz. It was an amazing musical for both children and adults. My mom and I liked it, but my sister didn't. 2A. The story was about a girl, Dorothy, and her dog, Toto. The bad witch chased Dorothy away from home, but the good witch helped her. Dorothy met some new friends and they traveled together in the magic land of Oz. In the end, they found the Wizard of Oz and he helped Dorothy go back home. 3 here. B. I liked the play because all the actors were great. They were all very talented and had fantastic voices. I also liked the songs, the music, and the dancing. Okay, now let's look at the topic sentences of the paragraphs. The first one, C. Last week I went to the theater and watched the Wizards of Oz. I went to the theater, and this is talking about the theater and the play. It was the topic sentence of the first paragraph. 2A. The story was about a girl. The second paragraph is talking about the story of the play. 3b. I like the play. It starts with I like the play. In the third paragraph, it tells us he or she liked the play and gives the reasons of why he or she liked it. Okay, so let's pass the other part. Okay, write a review of a play. Use this plan to help you. There are questions. Paragraph 1. When did you go to the theater? Who did you go with? Did you or they like the play? In the second paragraph, you will answer these questions. What was the story about? What happened in the end? In the third paragraph, you will answer why did you like the play? So I will give you some. Okay, let's look at the example. There are the answers of the questions here. Okay, let's read. Last summer, I went to theater with my cousin Melissa in Nisan. Its name was La Boheme. I and she liked this play so much. The story was about four good friends who were actors in Paris. They were living in 19s. Love was in their lives center. In the end, Mimi was so sick that she died in the arms of Rodolfo. I like this play. I like this play because the actors were excellent. It was a good drama to watch. The scene was great too. You can write it now, or you can write your answers too. Now turn the page. Okay, there is a reading here. Read the article about Barcelona. Three of our readers went on holiday to Barcelona last June. Evelyn. I had a wonderful time in Barcelona. I took photos of interesting, colorful houses and visited Montjuic Castle. The view from the castle was fantastic. We went everywhere by metro. My favorite places in Barcelona were the Bomboneria, Bomboneria chocolate shops selling Ferris wheels, dolls, houses, and even trains made of chocolate. Olivia. We stayed in a small family hotel in the city center. I loved rowing, and the first place that I visited was John Muir's museum. His paintings are amazing. We walked in the streets of the old city and had lunch in a small restaurant. The food was delicious. My favorite food was paella, rice with seafood and meat. Joshua, I was a bit bored on the first 2 days. Things got better after that. We went to Tibidabo amusement park at the top of the mountain, and we had great fun on the rides. One day we went on a boat trip, and then we went to a brilliant beach to swim and build sand castles. The beaches are great in Barcelona, and you can get there by tram or on foot from the city center. Okay, now let's look at the questions. Alright, choose E for Evelyn, O for Olivia, J for Joshua. Okay, who is an art fan? Olivia. Who didn't have a good time in the beginning? Joshua. Who liked the food? Olivia. Who had a great time in the amusement park? Joshua. Who only traveled by metro? Evelyn. Who liked the buildings? Evelyn. To complete it, then let's pass the next one. Choose the correct answers. 1. Alton Towers is an amusement park in England. 2. The bus the bus was late and there was a long queue at the bus stop. 3. The Nemesis roller coaster is one of the attractions at Alton Towers. 4. The museum has many visitors every year. 5. We took photos of statues and historic buildings. 6. Rome is a city with a very interesting history. Okay, let's press the next. 7. I found tickets for Shakira's concert next week. 8. Which song was the biggest hit in Europe in 2010 or 2010? What a pity we can't go to the museum and I really wanted to go. 10. Spider-Man first appeared on TV in 1977. 11. The singer felt nervous before the audition. 12. It's a cartoon but it's not for both children and adults. Okay, now the next one. Choose the correct answers. Christy was late for school last Monday. 2. Were your friends at the skate park yesterday afternoon? Your friends were sober. My grandma celebrated her 17th birthday last month. 4. Was he scared on the ride? Yes, he was. 5. Did you travel by car? No, I didn't. 6. He went camping in France last summer because it was simple France. Okay, so the next one again. 7. Did you find tickets for the show? 8. We went backstage and she signed autographs for us. 9. How did you feel? I felt excited. 10. When did you see him? Last night. 11. Who's your favorite actor? 12. Why did she leave so early? So we can continue with the next one. Take care. Goodbye for now.